Hello guys, it's your girl Mandy K. I am at the Tetekwashi roundabout, popularly known as the Accra Mall. I'm here to get the views of the general public on the topic why COVID-19 is increasing in Ghana and the solution towards it. Let's get the views from the general public. Hello, I'm Mandy K.
Hello, I'm Clement.
Okay, so lately we've heard COVID-19 is increasing in Ghana. What do you think is the causes?
Well, it's true that COVID-19 is increasing in Ghana and it has come to stay as well. Well, I believe that the prime cause of this virus is that, Ghanaians, we are not complying with the rules at all. You see, the simple rules which says that we should put on our mask at all times, washing of hands, we are not complying with them. We are just taking these rules lightly because it's not having adverse effects around us. That is why. But when you go to the outside world, you realize that they are going through a lot. So we should be complying with the rules. The basic, at least, let's wear our mask throughout. Wherever we go, these masks will not, I don't think it has any health effect. So let's comply with it.
I think a lot of people are not putting on their nose mask, and they are also not following the safety protocols they are needed. That would eradicate the COVID-19.
So do you think the government should punish those who are not taking the protocols seriously?
Yeah, I think so. There should be a punishment for that.
It's because we don't follow the regulations of the sickness, especially wearing your mask. Always you should make sure gathering plenty people, you know how to. We should stop gathering. Secondly, you work with your sanitizers wherever you are going. If you are entering a taxi, you make sure you sanitize your hand. I mean, we should follow the regulations of the sickness. I think it will go down. But in Ghana, that kind of stress is not there. Everybody do what thinks is good. Others say if they use the mask, they can't breathe. It's true, but we have to try and do something so that the sickness will go. Because the way it is doing, it looks as if it's now coming to stay with us. And we will have to fight the sickness. Yeah.
Okay. Mommy, please, do you think the government and then the security personnel should take this very serious and punish those who don't take the protocol serious?
You see, in Ghana, I think it should have been the best thing. But in Ghana, the law is not working. Because what our president is doing, he has done his part. It's left for us, the human being, should also do something. Look at the vaccine. Others refuse to inject. That if you inject, blah blah, others are in the media showing all kind of things that if you inject and you use phone on your hand, it's like magnet. I mean, and now if they bring a force to this kind of sickness, you see what will happen. So to me, there should be, the education should be there, talking to people that we should be using our masks. Because if you go and beat somebody now, you don't know the person. They can decide to send you to court. That why you will beating me? It is my life. I decided to die with COVID. How will you say? So the only thing is, to me, force, no. We should be going, educating people. People should be around. If you see somebody standing without a mask, there should be somebody, oh, my sister, I think you heard of the COVID-19. Why are you not in a mask? If it has you, this is the consequences you face. Others will say, okay, it's true. You will never get it easier. Others will still like to challenge. You understand? That's, you can't do anything with it. But I've seen that if they want to bring force into it, the way Ghana is now, it will create a whole lot of problems. You understand? So, love with me, charges, entertainment, shopping malls like that, they should be talking to people. You shouldn't be gathering. That kind of education should be there. People should come and be indicating people. That is all what I've seen.
Pacho, your friend Mandy now, sir.
Me did the awal Mustafa.
Okay. Pacho, you have to say COVID-19 as a pejana humpa or Ghana ha. O just say yeah Ghana phone a dem pot simpa na ye because in na ye share nose mask. Ebi mo so share enti dem pot pan na o just say Ghana for ye nya COVID-19 as a pejana humpa.
Ne wo mu die o hwe se na kunu akoye a mpenefo na mu bu mra so. Nti se mo koye ade bi na se mo bu mra so o mo timamufo no so o be da ide so obi endi so. And no smarts in this sanitizer. They say sanitizer can so be used to grab you, but no smarts in it. Me, I'm doing the media work, Misha. Now, baby, I'm beginning to see you. What say, won't say, Uncle 5 a share 15 or more to the Mushy. It's possible, they are a corner bed, ever possible. And they been so after Yarana said, the only dear glass, Yarana any system, Bejuma, or Pan I had. Go and yaw ya, or do you say be and cow ya, cow, but and see, they say the member say, I buy now, no so in shades we, or yet dear, I say, or ya. On deep on one of them, but no boost or boost up, I say, you see a big boost on anyone on any queen. Because a bar may woo and young. So me kwanya e bia mebusu afo manyebi ombewu mebusu e bia ono so obekwa ni obusu obekwa dia go saa e bia o se bia restaurant me miniska mewudem akoto bia ne nso mi mebusu ni bet mewudem akoto bia ne o so obekwa kwa 5 yo o se na etelo nti ni emparifo na ese o mo hwe o na o mo hye o mra so na bia mo ye no o mo ye ni ye na nyina enko ni
yare no o mo se wo bi hu na wo chia no ni semu a na wa hohoro sa na wo dikodidi a ebe ubetumi anye bi ana wa ye obi atu na ebi wo ne ho a ubetumi anye bi ana wadua ne dimu yie ti se wo didi wadua ne dimu hwe wadua ne dimu yie enu so etumi ma yare no.
Okay, enti sisi then na obeka che nkofo a eye omo nhye mag like Ghana for no upese yenye den like solution bena yenye then the topic COVID-19.
Sepe inform say I share those mass. It's me the American say me pa Ghana for me na che me de bia me ko fru ka me she baby ye fa niam we un sha unrem ye ma unrem kura wa unro sa ye ma unrem uji ye udiska mo bi kura uto ade na udiska ne mani pa na o se hufro sa asana we pie nti the American che Ghana for say mra na mudi ba ye no ye nyina ye den ye ndi so na mwa ye.
Well, what I can say is that we have stopped following the protocols the government has given out, and what most of Ghanaians are not doing is that instead of them to wear the mask and stay far away from people, they are doing that, and which I think is the cause of the rise of the cases. So if you follow the protocols and abide by the rules that has been given out, I think we will be fine and we will get ourselves from this whole thing.
We were used to nose mask, but you see, some of us say they're feel sophisticated, we say the nose mask. And then ran out to consider the fact that the rules, that's the protocols the government said we should follow, it's not being followed due to laziness, or I don't know the exact problem that is leading to that. But I think the government should stamp its toes on the ground and then tell us to follow, because it's very necessary. Schools are break down. Even my school, Gimpa, we used to go 3 weeks on campus and then 3 weeks online. But now they send a circular and then say we should not go to campus anymore. It's definitely spreading, and it's true. People think it's a joke. They don't know the reality on grounds because they've not been affected and they've not been to hospitals. And then because of stigmatization, they think maybe when they say this person is affected, it will be another problem to them. And so they wouldn't say at all. The best thing is we are all in the system. Whatever can come, can come. But it's not true. It's false. It's real. I think it's real. So it's something we should take note of that. And then follow the protocols as initiated by the government. That's what I would say.
So do you think those who don't follow the protocol, do you think the government should punish them?
Not necessarily punishment, but putting measures in place that if you are not wearing nose mask, maybe you won't be allowed to enter an office or in a car or something like. You'll be restricted from certain things, not necessarily punishment. Yes.
But that has been done, but people still don't wear the nose masks.
And so we should make sure. You see, this one goes for the drivers, the truck drivers, and the mates. They should make sure, they should hammer things to them that if somebody is not wearing the nose mask or maybe having a sanitizer, the person wouldn't be allowed to join the car. And it will help that rather than the citizens. The citizens, we can be stubborn. We can be stubborn in certain ways. And so those people, the key people, those are the government's targets, not we the citizens.
The friend sister.
Okay, sister, I'm Pacho. You to say COVID-19 as a pejani mupa or Ghana. Osha. Ghana for them potipana ye intana COVID-19 as a pejani hubio.
I dear me yentia COVID-19 as a pejano hono. A few particular. Ghana for ye near home. Obu and a nitia say fee. Ewan who so baby a few on one of a pacotina. And a baby on monsa or to dear on your own needs. And to go on a big crab, but tidy and I nipped a saba the fire rear. As our own massacre. And I know smassy, you see, and far and cover. And so only I can on show, not their ton of body as if born so bet you not on shady cry. And I say, far, ye did dear monson, yendi fruit. Fruit no. Obo was cow be ya to fruit, and yes, a fruit no but turning in a biaka crabia. One more debate in ya would be a babuana. Obo I want to be cry. And in the past, I say, I ran the soda man, I ended the day. And I said, Glass, one show knows mass and I say, who could share with beer or no so why you really beer? When you bear or pet, Yareno, who bring you.
And in Pacho, a fruit link of better. Because COVID-19, I think a cell unregulated body, a cell won't give fruit vitamin C in your mind. Topa. Okay. And then our person can share Ghana for say COVID-19 more funny serious and I say more funny jovial.
Na me catch Ghana for you na say COVID-19 more funny serious. If it say yarea aba. As a third one we kura dey anu yet den kura chen. Second one the first one. And it's a winner because one protect who ya no ebe ye o now so wo show who suye afa wodi die mu ni ade a enya ade a yare no ibenya bi
enti nkofo na eyan mu nche nose mask omu use sanitizer de bi omu ko party ni sanamanyama no o sha aban on punish omu ana say onye omu den
media ka sade kura no ya chiwo mu kura ni ase jawo. Enti me de se ka menko anka se menuanu beti akutuo dia anka wo se obi a wonam ho a no wa hye wo nose mask se mo bi me kan kire wo se hye ansa na wa hye wa se wanka sa wo use mind ho se ade we yare we ya abai se men protect me ho na se eye me a ada se menya nkwa na se menya nkwa menim. Until I saw the time they are menama. No share me nose mask, na me cross sanitizer, na end yet. With the my dear now.
For me, what I think is that with our social distance now, I think we are not, taking very good look at it. Yeah, because sometimes when you go to church like this, you see them being crowded at a place, and somehow it worries a lot. You understand? So that's one of the things that I think it worries most.
So I see you're not wearing nose mask. Is it because you are here alone?
Yeah, I have nose mask already, but just because I'm here alone, there's no one with me. I have nose mask, but just there's no one with me. That's why I'm not putting it on.
Okay, so you're saying you observe the protocols. Okay.
So one I find difficult in breathing. That's why too. So when I'm alone, I remove it, but when I'm in the crowded place, I just put it on.
Okay. So do you think those who don't observe the protocol should be punished by the government?
Being punished there, I think is too harsh, but maybe there might be a nice way to talk to them of how they should go about it. Yeah.
Thank you very much for talking to me. Okay, so this is where time has permitted us to end our interviews. I'm still your host, Mandy K. See you same time next week.